Good day guys, if you're new to crypto and want to start using Crypto.com for buying, selling or earning rewards, this quick guide will walk you through how to create your account safely and correctly. So let's begin guys. So from this first screen, just press on create new account and let us begin. In here you can either type in your email address manually or continue with Google. So however you wish to proceed, make your choice. Alright. Now let's pass the verification quickly. Okay, now from the list of the countries, choose your country and of course then type in your phone number. Alright, now you will receive the code to your phone. Great, as you can see that was quickly. And now just set up a passcode so that, it's used to unlock and confirm transactions. Let's go. Okay, great. Okay, in here you need to choose your expected annual transaction volume, basically how much money you make, pretty much. Okay, after that, annual income, occupation, well, pretty much just choose your profession. What are the main sources of your wealth? Let's say salary. Now just select the country from which your primary source of funds is derived from. Primary country you plan to transact with. Right, if you have obtained citizenship by investment scheme, choose yes or no. And down here to verify guys, you pretty much just need to use your valid, as you can see, document. It's going to be a passport or ID card, I suppose. So you will need to use a well-lit surface to make a proper picture of it. And then of course be ready to make a selfie. So let's begin. And now just wait for the documents processing. So as you can see, we will need to wait for them to verify you. So they will just scan your documents and your selfie, and then as you can see, you will receive an email notification once you have been approved. So you can pretty much exit out of the app and wait for the verification. But pretty much this is the registering process and also the verification. So guys, you're welcome. If you enjoyed this video, like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.